How to change your PayPal name. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To change your PayPal name, what you can do is firstly launch your preferred browser and search for paypal.com, or you can install the PayPal app from your Play Store or App Store. Now over here, firstly, make sure to log in into your account. You'll be needing your email address and password for it. To change your PayPal, what you can do is you can click on the three horizontal line in the left-hand corner. From here, you can tap on the setting gear option. In here, make sure to select on the account. Right here, you will see your name displayed. Then at the side, you will see change name. Since we want to change our PayPal name, we can just click on change name option. After that, you can enter your first name, middle name, and your last name. You may or may not need to upload additional document to verify your new name as well. Once done, just click on the continue button. That is how you change your PayPal name. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.